Excessive heat styling can wreak havoc on your hair, leaving it brittle, dry, and prone to breakage. That's where heat protectants come in. These essential products act as a shield, protecting your strands from the high temperatures of styling tools while adding nourishment and shine. In today's video, we'll review the top 5 heat protectants, from budget-friendly options to salon-grade products, so you can keep your hair healthy, sleek, and stylish. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 1, TRESemmé Thermal Creations. The TRESemmé Thermal Creations Heat Tamer Spray is a budget-friendly, widely loved heat protectant designed for everyday use. It's perfect for anyone seeking reliable protection against heat damage without breaking the bank. Key features: this product is enriched with a moisture-locking vitamin complex that protects hair from styling tools up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Its lightweight, non-greasy formula works for all hair types, helping to smooth frizz and enhance shine. The spray nozzle ensures even distribution for comprehensive coverage. Benefits and usage: the Heat Tamer Spray creates an invisible barrier that shields your hair from damage while keeping it soft and manageable. To use, simply spray it evenly on damp hair before blow-drying, straightening, or curling. It's ideal for frequent stylers who need dependable protection. Usability: its lightweight formula doesn't weigh hair down, making it suitable for fine to thick strands. The spray bottle design allows for easy application, ensuring that every section of your hair is adequately coated without excess product buildup. Durability: the 8-ounce bottle lasts for weeks with regular use, even if you style your hair daily. Its affordable price point and high performance make it a must-have for anyone looking for heat protection on a budget. In the second spot, we have Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Oil. The Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Oil is a premium heat protectant that doubles as a hair treatment. Perfect for repairing damage and enhancing shine, it's ideal for anyone wanting to combine heat protection with long-term hair health. Key features: this lightweight oil protects hair from heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit while strengthening bonds within the hair shaft. It's infused with Olaplex's patented bond-building technology, which repairs and protects against environmental and thermal damage. The formula is silicone-free and suitable for all hair types. Benefits and usage: along with heat protection, this oil reduces frizz, adds shine, and strengthens hair with every use. Apply a few drops to damp or dry hair before styling to ensure protection and nourishment. It's especially effective on color-treated or chemically processed hair. Usability: the compact bottle features a dropper dispenser, allowing precise application without overusing the product. Its lightweight texture makes it perfect for fine or thick hair, providing protection without greasiness or heaviness. Durability: a little goes a long way with this highly concentrated formula, ensuring the bottle lasts for months even with frequent use. While it's priced higher than some options, its dual benefits of repair and protection make it a worthwhile investment. Coming in at number 3 is the Chi 44 Iron Guard. The Chi 44 Iron Guard is a cult favorite among heat styling enthusiasts. This professional-grade spray is specifically designed to offer advanced thermal protection while maintaining the health and integrity of your hair. It's a staple in salons and home routines alike. Key features: the formula contains unique silk proteins and vitamins that fortify your hair and protect it from temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Its lightweight composition ensures your hair remains manageable and residue-free. The spray nozzle is designed for precise application, ensuring every strand is shielded from damage. Benefits and usage: using Chi 44 Iron Guard is straightforward. Spray it onto damp or dry hair before styling, focusing on mid-lengths and ends. The silk proteins enhance smoothness, while the vitamins provide nourishment, leaving your hair shiny and frizz-free. It's an excellent choice for achieving sleek, polished styles. Usability: this product is compatible with all hair types, from straight to curly, and works well for both thick and fine hair. Its non-greasy formula dries quickly, allowing you to style your hair immediately after application. The lightweight texture ensures it won't weigh your hair down, even with daily use. Durability: Qi 44 Iron Guard offers reliable protection against heat damage, making it a long-term investment for healthy hair. The 237 ml bottle lasts for several weeks, even with frequent use, and the consistent results make it a must-have for any styling routine. Taking our fourth spot is Redken Extreme Play Safe. The Redken Extreme Play Safe is a multi-benefit heat protectant that not only shields your hair from heat damage, but also fortifies and repairs it. It's a salon-quality product designed for those who want to keep their hair healthy while styling with high temperatures. Key features: this product is infused with plant proteins and tourmaline, which work together to protect hair from heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It also contains amino acids that strengthen and repair damaged hair fibers. The creamy texture ensures even application and doubles as a leave-in treatment for added nourishment. Benefits and usage: to use, apply a small amount to damp hair before blow-drying or styling with heat tools. The formula reduces split ends and breakage, while the tourmaline enhances shine and smoothness. It's particularly effective for repairing hair that has been damaged by excessive styling or chemical treatments. Usability: Redken Extreme Play Safe is suitable for all hair types, but works especially well for damaged or chemically processed hair. Its creamy consistency makes it easy to distribute evenly, ensuring every strand is coated and protected. It's a fantastic option for anyone looking to combine heat protection with hair repair. Durability: with regular use, this product not only protects your hair, but also improves its overall health. The 200 ml tube lasts for weeks, providing excellent value for its dual functionality. Its long-lasting effects make it a staple for anyone seeking strong, resilient hair. And finally, at number 5, we have Living Proof Restore Perfecting Spray. The Living Proof Restore Perfecting Spray is a versatile heat protectant that goes beyond shielding your hair from damage. This lightweight spray also detangles, hydrates, and strengthens your hair, making it a true all-in-one product for your styling routine. Key features: this product is infused with the brand's patented healthy hair molecule, which helps prevent breakage and improve the overall health of your hair. It provides protection from heat up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and is enriched with conditioning agents that hydrate and smooth your hair. The spray format ensures even and effortless application. Benefits and usage: to use, spray it generously onto damp hair before using any heat tools. The formula detangles your hair, making it easier to style, while the conditioning agents add shine and reduce frizz. It's especially effective for dry or damaged hair, providing hydration and improving manageability. Usability: Living Proof Restore Perfecting Spray is suitable for all hair types and is particularly beneficial for those with dry, brittle, or color-treated hair. Its lightweight formula ensures it doesn't weigh your hair down, making it ideal for daily use. The spray is easy to apply and dries quickly, streamlining your styling process. Durability: the 236 ml bottle lasts for weeks, even with regular use, thanks to its concentrated formula. Its protective and restorative effects are long-lasting, ensuring your hair remains healthy and resilient over time. It's a reliable option for anyone seeking a multifunctional heat protectant. There you have it, our top 5 picks for the best heat protectants on the market. Whether you're looking for affordable protection or a premium product that combines repair and hydration, these options have you covered. Investing in a good heat protectant is the first step to maintaining healthy, beautiful hair while enjoying the freedom of styling. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hair care tips and product reviews. See you in the next video.